What is going on, fam? So we are back again today, and I got a new addition to the channel here. Got a 2005 CRF 450X. I just picked up this bike not too long ago. I did have another Sumo. I had never even showed it on the channel, man. I had a KTM 690 SMCR, but I started to drop that bike just a little bit too much. And when you got an $11,000 bike, yeah, you really don't want to be dropping it. And so, especially when you're paying on it. But so I got this bike right here, 2005 CRF 450. Pretty clean bike overall. It needs a little, you know, it needs a little bit of TLC, but overall it's a pretty clean bike. It starts pretty quickly. It has the full, so brake lights, turn signals, so the license plate lights, everything. The turn signals are right here. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, so.
Oh, I don't know about turn signals.
I know, this man ain't got no turn signals. Yeah, I got my boy Tony right there. Shoot, he got an even doper bike though. He got a KTM 300 Supermoto, that's street legal, 2-stroke. So, super dope bike right there. But I'll go ahead and start this bad boy up for y'all right quick. Super easy. So got the electric startup on it. It's an older bike, it's carbureted, but it runs well. So liquid cool, got the radiators on both sides. You know, things work as it should, so that's dope. Front light, all that good stuff. Tires are in decent condition. Got the Supermoto wheel set up. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a ride, and then I'll give you guys my impression. So we're out here at this dope spot. Turn the bike off. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we got MLK over here, but yeah, so we're at this little dope spot, like, so downtown Richmond. So we're just doing a little bit of wheelie training. So me and Tony. So yeah, so both of us trying not to fall and bust our ass. So you know what I mean? Again. Yeah, again. But yeah, I'm gonna throw y'all up on the helmet, and then we'll get gloves on right quick. Okay, getting her up. See what I can do right quick. It's definitely a little bit loud, so I hope that y'all can hear me. Fuck. Woo! Do one up on the board. Check out Tony. Oh, and the rear brake is definitely a bit noisy. I gotta adjust that. Got some up. I hope y'all can hear me. I kind of floated that one a little bit. Throw it up right quick. Woo! Okay. Let's see if we can get up this hill right here. That'll be kind of cool. It's on street tires, so. Oh, hell yeah, made it up. Mine looking pretty dope. This thing is freaking fast, man. Where's Tony at? He's over there. I'm trying to work on like getting on curves better. If any of y'all have any suggestions, let me know. Because right now I feel like I'm giving a little bit too much power. Being a little harsh on the suspension. This is pretty cool down here. I think Tony went down here. This is like right underneath the bridge. Whoa, 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 Tony, watch yourself, big dog. He's throwing it up. See what I can do. Floated a little bit, still chasing it, but whatever. Okay, Tony getting in his back. Yeah. Coming through the poles. Coming down. Oh, Tony taking the stairs. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, man, that was cool. I'm gonna try. You gonna go up? Oh, shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Alright, he went down the stairs. I'm scared, dude. Maybe this is not the best idea, but whatever. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shoot, that was crazy. He about to try to wheelie. Could tell in his body language. I got a good deal for this bike, I feel. It runs pretty well. Don't know, so unknown miles and hours, but it runs well, so. Oh shit, Tony, what up? Alright, so we are about to head to Rockets Landing now, so. That's like right by the river, so that'll be pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and push out there. I guess I'm taking point because I got the GPS. Yo, so this compared to the 690 I had is so much more raw. Actually, I'm gonna roll through the hood right quick. Let's roll through the hood, see what's going on. I'm gonna push through the hood. So this right here is like some of the projects. I forget the name of these projects, but they are indeed projects. We're gonna roll through the hood right quick. Check it out. Let's see if we can fuck. Tony feeling bold. That's what that is. Alleyway right here. Ooh, watch out for the glass. Man, I hope the audio quality is alright. I can't say. Man, this clutch is super duper heavy, man. two-stroke on the street is so cool, man. I did want a two-stroke Supermoto, but I don't know if I'm ready for that life. I already gotta see just what the maintenance is gonna be like with this 450F on the street. I gotta check the valves still. Runs well. So the speedo doesn't work, but the RPMs does. So no turn signal. I had never went downstairs on a dirt bike before. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared as hell. Got the poodle action. I said, you making noise too. I said, shoot, but you making noise too.
I think so, I heard it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Squeaking like a bitch.
So his doesn't have like the electric start, so he gotta do all that. So I can get the wheel up pretty good in second. Actually, so this is my first day like really training with this bike. First day. Watch out. What the hell? Tony having too much fun. Two-stroke Tony. It's cute. Hey, we going left. I float it. I chased it. I chased it. Hey, let's go here. Ah. That's a pretty dope view. Then we can go down here. pretty cool. Those people in the park did not look happy to see us though. Understandably, these shits are loud. Water crossing. It's like, tell me to do a wheelie without telling me to do a wheelie. Oh shit, little parking lot. We hit that right quick. I almost pulled my arm sockets off with the torque. Hey, we gotta go left. Oh shit, I think the camera moved around. Fuck. I gotta tighten these up a little bit better next time. My fault. I hope y'all can see. Yo, let's make this right. Alright y'all, so we made it to Rockets Landing finally. So y'all missed it, so the camera had died. But we went through like these neighborhoods up here. Like, you know, it's where like pretty much like, so a bunch of wealthy people live over there, and they were not happy to hear these two bikes coming through. But this is Rockets Landing right here, right up on the James River. It's pretty dope, man. It's a dope area. Definitely a dope area. But we had a good time, man. Pretty dope. I'm gonna close out the video here.
Historical part of Rockets Landing, man.
Huh?
So you got the historical part.
Man, I don't care about the historic.
Rockets Landing was a Confederate Navy yard for centuries. The James River served as a thoroughfare for vessels connecting Richmond to other ports along the Atlantic coast, South America, and Europe. Here at Rockets Landing, ships loaded and unloaded their cargoes, as it was impossible to navigate the rapids further upriver. And then you zoom to upriver. Those rapids,
zoom, bro.
Oh,
it's a GoPro.
Point. Those rapids upriver.
Oh man, but yeah, man. Go ahead and close out the video here. It was a good time. It was a good time. I thoroughly enjoyed this bike. It's a lot more raw than the 690 was, and this is what I was after the whole time. Definitely what I was after the whole time. But yeah, so take it easy. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and just let me know. Damn, my hands was dirty. So just let me know just if you like the style of video.
Coast.